In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up your Venmo account for beginners in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download and install your Venmo application either from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you've simply done that, you want to simply go ahead and proceed by clicking on the Open tab and then click on the Sign Up icon. Once you've done that, it is going to go ahead and ask you for a phone or email. Simply enter anything that you're comfortable with. They're going to send you a 6-digit verification code to that email or phone number that you just provided. Simply go ahead and enter that back. And once you go ahead and do so, it is going to ask you for your personal information like your full name, your date of birth, your password that you want to create, and so on. You can also go ahead and add a payment method like a bank card, debit card, or even your credit card. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and review your information and your payment method and tap on Done, and your account will be created. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more